Napuntay, ginatawag na object-oriented. So have you heard about object-oriented? Actually, si Python object-oriented, C++, at sila Java. Ikaw object-oriented. Object-oriented siya, for example, buhat ka og class, sa isa ka class, ay ng car. For example, class person, di ba? So sa person, na kay string name, mong name, butang sa string. Ang imong name, ibutang sa string na data type. You have your int age, no? Ano int man? Kasi, integer pa ng age, di ba siya float. What else? Your age, your name, your address. Isa ba ng address? Is it float? Pag-address? Float? Say data type pag-address. String because word siya, okay? Dili siya pwede og character, no? What else? Grade. Int ang grade. Float. Float siya because of the decimal, no? No, so in a person, can put one class para encapsulate tanan mo information in just one class. And then tawago na siya later sa tuang function. O, pwede mag-type ka or define siya, user define. Pwede ra. In pointers memory management, pointers allow direct memory access and manipulation. So dynamic memory allocation uses UND. So kani example ani is, for example, we want to access pointer 20, and we want to manipulate it. Ginagamit ang asterisk to access and manipulate pointers. Example, natin variable name. Name variable is for example stored in 1000 hex. Then we want to access that. So you use asterisk name para ma-access nato siya karon. And if you want to change the memory of this name here, we just mag-allocate a new space by manipulating the memory. That's called memory management. So this is also one application in pointers and memory management. So is there any questions? Wala. Iterations, ano? While. Do while. Ano siya? While tapos do while. So for example, kanina loop while I is less than 5, ato i-convert ni Cout iteration tapos I. Tapos I plus plus. Tapos pag int I equals 0 kadihan. Pareha na sila of purpose. Still the same output but different syntax. Kung dual naman, same, no, int I equals 0, do while I is less than 5. Tapos diri, Cout iteration and then I plus plus. Same na sila duha. Tulo actually, same sila to. Same output but again, there's different types of looping statements. For example, else if num is 1, you entered 1. Else if num equals 2, you entered 2. Else if num equals 3. Okay? So, pwede po switch kung madami ka of choices. Switch or give us for many choices. Okay. So, let us summarize and conclude our lecture for this afternoon. C++ is widely used in embedded systems sa mga robotics, sa mga IoTs, and sa inyong projects. Diba? So that is why I will require you talaga to present your project, display it, so that your first years, makabalo sila, ay mo din yung buhaton sa micro. Tapos, another way is that para makahakop ko panels, maghatag ko paper sa mga panels na i-Q&A mo dito para diretso na di na ako magkuan i-encapsulate mo sa isa ka room. Better if open space, maghatag mo papel sa panels, and then they will ask you and then grade you para matagaan po hatag sa kuha ang grades. Para na variability ang grades. Okay? So who is ready? Ready na yung project. Palit mo. Naraman yata. Tapos. Wala. Shopping good mo niya. Maabot pa ka na March 14.
Tapos pag order mo sakto March 14 yung
Dapat nangita na mo karon. Hala ba bagsak gid mo ani. Gusto mo babagsak? Dili po.
Ano pa lang sa nangan? Voice feedback pa lang. If mag-order ka upan, mabot March 5.
Yeah, magbuhat pa man. Casing.
So,
Uy, dugay na ba ako nang na. Okay. So C++ is widely used in embedded programming for efficiency. Kato, ingon ako, firmware, applications niya include the firmware, IoT, and robotics. Example na interfacing with microcontroller registers. So in summary of what we have learned, it's essential for programming with C++. It provides a balance between performance and abstraction. So it's very easy to understand. Function na kay if. Parang siya English language, pero of course, you have to make the processor or compiler understand what we are saying. But, masabtan na siya. No? By just looking at it. Again, it covers the data types. So, sa ito mga data types, the fundamentals. Fundamental data types. Fundamentals. String, sa pa? Float. Char. Full. Int. Double. Mana silang fundamental data types. Okay, control structures. If, else if switch, and looping statements. Wala gyud na tama. Pag study mo balik ha. Para mga storya diha. So natin conditional statements ug looping statements sa control structures. Okay? What about OOP? Encapsulation, polymorphism. Wala. Sige, basa-basahan ninyo ni. Encapsulation means to say one variable may encapsulate an information. And katunay polymorphism, abstraction, and so on. And memory management. Okay. So it's used in embedded systems for real-time applications. And that ends the lecture for